Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are testing a product that I have been seeing everywhere recently. This Swiss Beauty Pro Primer with vitamin C and vitamin E. Now, honestly, affordable makeup has improved so much lately, and I am always curious whether this product are actually worth the hype or just another viral trend. What do you think, guys? So, in today's video, I am going to test this primer properly with foundation, show you close-up results, talk about texture, finish, and whether it actually helps makeup look smoother and long-lasting. So guys, yes, and if you struggle with cakey makeup, dry patches and makeup separating during the day, this video is actually gonna help you. So first of all, let's talk about this packaging because it honestly look real clean and aesthetic. Yes, so this is white and orange color bottle. So yes guys, this bottle is very compact, travel friendly and it comes with a pump which I personally prefer because it's way more hygienic and easy to use. As you can see here, this is the pump that I was talking about. So this is the Swiss Beauty Pro Primer with vitamin C and vitamin E. As you can see here, it is mentioned over here. So, according to this brand, it's supposed to give a soft, smooth finish while also hydrating and nourishing the skin. It is mentioned here, and yes, it comes in a 25 ml. So now I do like primers that give hydration. Now I do like primers that give hydration because if your skin is dry underneath, your makeup usually starts looking patchy and very quickly. So, especially in Indian weather, especially in summers, makeup melting or separating is one such problem that even I deal with. So, guys, today I am gonna be applying this primer and let you know. So, the textures feel lightweight and creamy. If I spread on my hand, if you see here, so I just took a pump of it and I am applying on my skin. So as you can see here, it is actually very lightweight and creamy and it spreads very easily on the skin and doesn't feel heavy on silicone, or silicone like, because some primers have so much silicone in that, so you feel like you are sticking something on your face. So now some primers can feel very slippery or greasy, but this one actually feels comfortable and moisturizing. As you can see here, it is actually hydrating also and it is giving me the shine as well. So I'm mainly applying my primer on my hand firstly just to show you how does it look, the texture of it. So also it gives a healthy glow. As you can see here, the shine, the nourishing it is giving. I personally like it because I prefer makeup that looks skin like instead of the super matte. So now I am going to apply the foundation. Let me pick one foundation for you guys. I just picked one of my foundation from my makeup pouch. So this is from the brand called as Milani. So